Welcome to the third and a brand new episode of Sonal's Radio, a weekly music plus talk show where I introduce you to 6 new tracks and the artists behind them for your next week's playlist. Now let me start this episode by saying what a year 2021 has been. And I knew that you guys will be listening to this episode either on the 31st or sometime after that. So I wanted to use this episode to share some of my experiences. But more importantly, one very crucial life-changing realization which I've had this year and which has completely changed my outlook towards life. Now, while surfing the internet early last year, I stumbled upon Joe Rogan's podcast. I'm pretty sure you guys know about it, the Joe Rogan Experience, but this time featuring Naval Ravikant. Now, for those of you who do not know who Naval is, Naval Ravikant is an Indian-American entrepreneur and an investor. He is the co-founder, chairman and former CEO of AngelList. Now, AngelList is a US website for startups, angel investors and job seekers who are looking to work at startups. But Naval is also an early age investor in more than 200 companies, and some of them you will absolutely know, like Uber, Foursquare, Twitter, and many more. In a certain section of that particular podcast, Naval goes on to quote Robert Heinlein, an American science fiction author, an aeronautical engineer, and a naval officer, who, by the way, is sometimes also called the Dean of Science Fiction Writers. Naval quotes and says, "Specialization is for insects." He goes on to explain that at some level, all humans are broad. We are all multivariate, but we get summarized in pithy ways in our lives. But at some deep level, we all know that it is not true. Every human is basically capable of every experience and every thought, and everyone should be able to do just everything. He emphasizes that he does not believe in the model anymore of trying to focus your life down on just one thing. You have got one life, just do everything you got to do. That explanation, and today, I think a lot has changed. Considering life a single-player game with limited time in your hand, your actions are the only way forward to bring in all these new experiences. With that empowering thought, let me move on to the first recommendation on today's episode of Sonal's Radio, which is a hot new and a brand new talent called Duke Boara, who is barely in his 20s and has already notched over 1 million streams on Spotify alone. Multi-instrumentalist Duke, also known as James Toomey, who plays piano, guitar, and drums, has described his music as instrumental, melodic, electronic, and house. Currently in London, growing up in England's West Country and studying and living in Newcastle, he has also spent 5 years living and traveling in Asia, where the world music and instruments such as the sitar sank into his musical consciousness, leading to a rich blend of cultures. Go give his brand new track a listen and come back to know Duke's story.